Ever wondered if time travel could be more than just a figment of science fiction? Does the Philadelphia Project ring a bell? Let's delve into the murky waters of this intriguing tale. Picture the year 1943, a world at war, the Philadelphia Naval Shipyard bustling with activity. In its midst, a military experiment so profound it would shake the very foundations of science. The USS Eldridge, a U.S. Navy destroyer escort, supposedly vanished from the radar, only to reappear in Norfolk, Virginia. Yes, you heard that right, teleportation. The story doesn't stop there. The ship wasn't just invisible to radar, but to the naked eye as well. Imagine the shock, the disbelief, the awe of those who witnessed this spectacle. A ship disappearing in Philadelphia and reappearing in Norfolk, Virginia. Sounds like a page right out of a sci-fi novel, doesn't it? What if I told you that one of the greatest minds of the 20th century, Albert Einstein, was allegedly involved in this project? Albert Einstein, a name synonymous with genius. But could he have been the mastermind behind the Philadelphia Project? Let's delve into the depths of this enigma. Einstein, a luminary in the realm of physics, is known to have toyed with the concept of a unified field theory. This theory aimed to merge the forces of gravity and electromagnetism into a single mathematical framework. It's a tantalizing thought, isn't it? Could this theory have been the secret ingredient in the alleged teleportation and invisibility of the USS Eldridge, as claimed in the Philadelphia Project story? The plot thickens as we explore the lack of tangible evidence. Despite the thrilling tales spun around the Philadelphia Project, there's no concrete proof linking Einstein to these events. It's a mystery wrapped in a riddle, hidden behind the curtain of time. Einstein himself publicly disassociated from such theories. He maintained his stance that he had no involvement in any project related to teleportation or time travel. Yet his denial has done little to quell the swirling rumors and theories. The Philadelphia Project continues to be a source of fascination and speculation for many, and Einstein's possible involvement is a tantalizing thread in this complex tapestry of mystery. The question remains: was Einstein's genius harnessed for a top-secret military experiment? Time travel has long been a staple of science fiction, but could it be grounded in scientific reality? Let's dive into the theoretical world for a moment. Picture the cosmos filled with black holes, wormholes, and particles zipping around at the speed of light. These aren't just elements of a sci-fi blockbuster, but actual concepts that scientists have been wrestling with for decades. Take wormholes, for instance. These hypothetical shortcuts through the fabric of space-time have been a popular plot device in sci-fi literature. But could they have played a role in the alleged events of the Philadelphia Project? The theory suggests that a wormhole could have enabled the USS Eldridge to disappear from Philadelphia and reappear in Norfolk in an instant. Then there's the idea of using black holes for time travel. The immense gravitational pull of a black hole could theoretically warp space-time, allowing for time dilation or even backwards time travel. But does this theory hold water when applied to the Philadelphia Project? It's an intriguing thought, but one that's fraught with scientific skepticism. And let's not forget the speed of light, a constant that Albert Einstein himself declared as the cosmic speed limit. Could the Philadelphia Project have broken this limit, allowing for time travel or teleportation? The idea certainly seems far-fetched, but then again, so did many of Einstein's theories before they were proven. But here's the catch. All these theories, as fascinating as they are, lack empirical evidence. They're like pieces of an interstellar puzzle that just don't quite fit together. The scientific community remains skeptical, questioning the plausibility of these theories and their connection to the Philadelphia Project. So, where does that leave us? It's a question that invites both intrigue and skepticism. Science fiction has a way of blurring the lines between possibility and fantasy, between what's real and what's imagined. So, is time travel merely a fascinating concept, or could it be a hidden truth waiting to be uncovered? Only time will tell. Teleportation, a fanciful idea, or a feasible scientific phenomenon? Let's dive straight into it. Imagine, if you will, the ability to travel from point A to point B instantaneously, without physically crossing the space in between. This is the concept of teleportation, a staple of science fiction that's become increasingly relevant in the realm of quantum physics. Now let's rewind the clocks back to the Philadelphia Project. The story goes that the USS Eldridge, a naval warship, was made to disappear from its dock in Philadelphia and reappear in Norfolk, Virginia in the blink of an eye. This alleged event is often linked to the concept of quantum teleportation, a process where information about an object's state is instantaneously transferred from one location to another. While the Philadelphia project remains shrouded in controversy and skepticism, the concept of teleportation isn't as far-fetched as it may sound. In fact, scientists have already successfully teleported information at the quantum level. It's a small step, but a significant one nonetheless. But how close are we to teleporting physical objects, or even humans? The truth is, we're still light years away. The complexities and challenges involved are staggering, but the potential implications are fascinating. Imagine a world with no traffic jams, no long-haul flights, a world that's truly connected. Could teleportation be the next big breakthrough, or is it just another scientific pipe dream? The Philadelphia Project, a top-secret military experiment, or a well-crafted urban legend? We've journeyed through the labyrinth of this enigmatic tale, contemplating the involvement of genius Albert Einstein, exploring the mind-bending concept of time travel, and the mesmerizing idea of ship teleportation. There's no denying the allure of this story, a narrative so extraordinary it defies conventional wisdom. Yet despite its intrigue, we find ourselves at a crossroads of fact and fiction. Concrete evidence remains elusive, no official documents, no tangible proof. The government, for its part, steadfastly denies any knowledge or involvement in such a project. We're left with a jigsaw puzzle with missing pieces, a story that captivates and confounds in equal measure. Each component, the Philadelphia Project, Einstein, time travel, ship teleportation, adds a layer of complexity to this enigma. In the end, the Philadelphia Project remains shrouded in mystery, a tantalizing tale that blurs the line between science and fiction.